That's a warning. To Kyoto. We've come here for the day to check it all out. Kyoto was the capital city of Japan before it moved to Tokyo, and it was the capital city for over 1,000 years. So it's full of history, it's full of goodness. And it's one of the kind of the famous cultural places in Japan, so we're really looking forward to it. We're on our way to the bamboo forest along with about 100 other people. But we've come across this little shrine as we're walking along. Into the Okochi Sanso Garden because we've heard it's really, really beautiful. House, and we've been given some matcha and a little cake, and I've already checked and they're vegan, so if you come here you can have them if you're vegan. Oh, I see what you mean. That's not the best matcha, it's kind of watery and there's not much texture to it either, really. Then we can try these. Smells quite nice. Yeah. Yeah. I've just spotted a weasel ferret thing down there. We don't know what this shrine or temple is called, and there's no entry fees, but do you know?
Sagashaka-do. Sagashaka-do.
But we just found it, thank you, but we just found it as we were walking back to the train station. All the others have entrance fees and this one doesn't, and it looks amazing. We have come to Rokakudo Temple, which means hexagonal temple, and apparently it became famous for producing lots of flower arranging artists.